Okay, here is our finished GenStone project. We wanted an outdoor bar that matched kind of the colors of the lot. As you can see, we're full-time RVers. We have a lot down in Florida. So put in refrigerator, cabinet drawers there, shelves there, built the grill in there, and did the GenStone. The GenStone was super easy to work with. Even put in LED lights underneath so it lights up. Matches our roof and other kind of things in the area here. And I'll just give you a little insider. We just went through Hurricane Ian. We're just south of where it hit land, and we had 150-mile-an-hour winds. And the beautiful thing is not one piece of damage, nothing came loose, no issues, and we really are enjoying the product and the project, and looking forward to having family and friends over and have some good times around the bar.